Hi guys, first of all I would like to welcome you to this eBay Mastery Dropshipping course. So in this course, I'm going to cover with you how you can set up your eBay store, and at the same time how you can emerge as a top eBay seller. So here are some of the modules that I will cover. There's total of about 22 modules that we need to cover in order to get yourself geared up to be a eBay dropshipper. So in module 1, I'm going to cover with you in this module the basics of dropshipping. So in this module, we are going to get into what is the business model of dropshipping. So first of all, I need you to understand about the dropshipper mindset. So for dropshipping, you need to be taking consistent action daily. Now, when I say consistent action daily, meaning that every action that you take that's related to dropshipping, you have to do it over and over again. It might seem boring, but it is important. And also, when you have your store, the main purpose of your store is to make sure that this store pays you consistently and actively, meaning your income grow over time. So when you have a store, there is a cost, but this cost that you pay is supposed to grow your store. And you must be open to learn and adjust to new strategy and be flexible. Now this is very important as well, because all the strategy that I'm going to share with you might only work now and might not work say in the next few months. So what I need you to do is to make sure that you stay in the group and make sure that you post whatever question that you have. So at this moment, we are going to take a look at those strategies that is working for us. And you need to commit to your daily income goal. So I'll touch on this in the next slide. I want to make sure that you learn whatever you have need to learn, and apply it by taking actions. Now this step will determine whether you're successful or not in the short period of time. And I also want you to focus and commit to make your business successful. So this is very important. You need to be focused in order to be getting results. So if you're not focused and you're doing something else while watching this particular video, I would suggest you stop everything and make sure that you focus and learn, or take down the notes and be prepared to take actions. In this dropshipping business, profit is your priority. I want you to place this as a priority because most dropshipping experts have started by telling you that you need to focus on customer service, scaling your store, all this. But I would say that the number one thing you need to keep in mind is your profit. So if you're not making profit, then there's no reason why you should be running an eBay dropshipping store. So how much are you worth hourly? A lot of people, they do not know how much they are worth because they just simply don't know how to calculate, or they calculate wrongly. So I'm going to show you a very simple formula to calculate your hourly rate. So step number 1 is to take your desired income every year, yearly income, and divide it by 220, the number of days that you're actively working on your income. And take your daily income divided by 8 hours, the number of active hours that you spend working on some projects or on your work, to get the estimated hourly rate. And step number 4 is to multiply this by a factor of 3. Well, this factor of 3 is derived from time that you spend watching TV, sleeping, whatever. And step number 5, remember your hourly rate. So I'll give you an example. Say for example, you want to make a desired income of $1 million, and then you divide it by 220 days, and divided by 8 again, multiplied by 3, so you end up with $1,704.55. So this is your hourly rate that you need to be making every hour if you want to reach your desired income. And without knowing this, you will not be able to reach your desired income. So make sure that you calculate your worth, how much you are worth every hour. And remember, clarity is power, and the more clear you are about how much you are worth, how much you want, then your brains know how to get you there. So why do you want to start with eBay dropshipping? Some of the reasons, just like any other business that is involving dropshipping, is zero inventory. You do not need to own any inventory. Number two is a very low startup cost. So you do need to pay for your eBay store, your software, and all the costs that's involved, but it's relatively low cost compared to a physical retail shop. And you can leverage on the eBay buyer traffic, which I'll cover in the later module, how to get the buyer traffic into your store. And very low cost of marketing. So if you want to market your products on eBay store, you can actually do so via the eBay promotions campaign. Again, I'll cover in the later part of the module. So software automation is available to help you in listing, to be more efficient, and also to calculate your profits. So all this software that you'll be getting is relatively affordable, and you can actually save a lot of time. Yeah, like I mentioned, it is very easy to start selling once you have all this in place. And also you get your own credibility by leveraging on the eBay brands. So eBay we know that this is a listed company, and a lot of people know that eBay actually is reputable since the day when they when they started with auctions. And also we will take a look into how to use cashback when we purchase products from Amazon or even from eBay. You can actually get cashback from sites like Top Cashback, eBay, all this.